Hi, welcome to the Women's Resources Center, or the WRC. I'm Jolene. I'm going to take you on a little tour today. So before I get into what the Women's Resources does, I kind of just want to show you what you're going to see if you come in first. So first you come in, you're probably going to see an intern at the Intern Desk. We usually have about 4 to 5 interns every year, and they do things from marketing all the way to advertising and even planning programs with some of the staff member here. And then they're probably going to direct you to Joan. Joan is a lovely, lovely woman, and she usually is behind on her desk. We have a little coffee machine over here, and we usually have some snacks. So it's really a place that you can just come in and kind of just immerse yourself in. So the Women's Resources Center actually started out as an office about 10 years ago, but due to student activism, we are now calling ourselves a center because it's more inclusive, more friendly, and we really just want everyone to know that you can come in anytime, regardless of your gender identity, because you don't have to identify as a woman to be here. So moving on, I wanted to show you guys a little bit about the space around here. So this is our main area, and usually every other Monday we'll have a Dish It Up program. So we provide you guys yummy food, and then we usually have a guest speaker come in and we just talk about a variety of topics that we usually decide in the beginning of the semester. This area is also used for FICARE roundtables every semester. First year campus acquaintance rape education, and it's a program that all freshmen have to go through to attend school here. Honestly, this space can be used for anything. You can reserve it for any RSO, any hangout activities, as long as you just let us know beforehand. So moving on, we have a little kitchen area in here, usually opened for anybody to use. So this is Claire's office, this is Jaya's office, that over there is Madeline's office and Akoya's office, and all of them are confidential advisors. If you guys ever need to schedule some sort of appointment, you can just call or email